Hi beautiful and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a crimped look inspired by Arrogant TAE and all the crimps that he used to be doing. He don't do them as often anymore, but I never got to do it. So here I am finally doing it. This hair is from Nadula. It is a 13x6 frontal with transparent lace. I did show the install, but my camera was about to die. So like it was kind of rushed, but just know that like, you know, if you want to see a more detailed install, like I definitely do have those on my channel, but just know next time my battery will be charged up. This is a mess. Yeah, it was a mess. So this video was a mess, but like the behind the scenes was a mess. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy regardless, and thank you for watching. Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna hop straight into this. I'm just gonna start cutting off this lace and I'll tell you about where the hair is from and what it is and Okay, so I'm sorry, my camera is about to die and like I'm trying to fit as much into here as I can before it dies. So yeah, so anyway, this hair is from Nadula hair. It is 26 inches of body wave, and I've been crimping it. I didn't want to include all of that process as well. First of all, I didn't know my camera battery was dead. Like this is news to me. So just working with the flow now. It is 26 inches of body wave. It is a 13x6 frontal, and yeah, that's all you need to know for now. I will show you guys how I waved it, but I just did not want to show the whole thing even before I found out that my camera had no battery. So yeah, I got you. I got it plugged up right next to me. As soon as I'm done doing this and installing, we will definitely get to how I got these waves. You really can't even see. And my camera thing is coming. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna just turn this off and I'll come back when I start installing, so hopefully my camera battery can like charge up a little bit more. I'm so upset that I did not know that it was about to die. So 2 seconds. Okay, I've got a little battery now after I did this side, and this is looking pretty nice. Like, I don't want to film myself too hard, but it's looking pretty good. Okay, but let's go ahead and start on this side. I'm using Glue Bond as always. If you know any other like glues, I would love to try something new after this bottle runs out. So please let me know if you want to see something reviewed. I got you. Let me know. I buy it. This is always really easy to me. I'm not like well now it is, but like I don't know. The glue just really spreads out really easy, and then lace that's good like this really melts easier and makes your job a lot easier. So I don't know, your wigs always install a lot better when you have better lace. So as you can see from this side, looking good. I was supposed to go on live and do my makeup, but everything that could have went wrong. So I don't even know. I said 3, it's all the way fucking around about to be 5. I know niggas is not trying to see me no more. And when I be saying stuff like that, like I be talking about when I want to do things, I promise I always like do want to do it at that time. Like I never go into it thinking like, oh, I'm probably not going to do that. Like I always think wholeheartedly that I'm going to do things by a certain time, and then it just doesn't happen. So, you know, it could be ADHD. I think a lot of forces worked against me today though. So yeah, that's what kind of happened with Vlogmas. I did have my first week of Vlogmas up, but I don't know, it got slow for the rest of it because I got sad. And I can't like fake the funk. Today's a better day than like the other days have been, but like I'm not a liar and I can't act like things are okay when they're not okay. So that's why Vlogmas just there's no part 2. There's no continuation. It's hard. I really did want to though. I was gonna sit there and explain what was going on, like why I wasn't gonna keep going or whatever. Just I don't know, I guess I'll say it here. Or maybe I'll do a get ready with me and like we can talk about what happened to Vlogmas. I want to do a nail vlog still, but like, I don't know, like I was gonna do a Christmas set for Christmas. I'm not even in the Christmas spirit anymore. I don't know. Life is hard. So I just have this like elastic band, and I'll put it right in front of the lace, or like right where the lace like is about to end or whatever, and it just melted in like extra. I should put my hair back for this. Okay, so now I'm just hot combing the top of my wig flat. I just hate like a big bulky wig. It's not cute. It never will be. It's not it. So I think that's pretty flat now. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab these front pieces that I chose to not do yet. Comb through it. Try not to comb through the rest. Ooh, she a little nappy. Okay. So now I have this bed head. It's the Wave Artist. And it looks like this. I don't know how hot it gets, but I just know it's on the highest setting. And I have some Gotta Be spray. And I'm just going to lightly spray. I don't want it to be hard. I just want it to be set and a little shiny. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this a little bit. Comb through it. And go ahead and get some waving. This shit takes forever. Like, I did not know it takes this long to do this shit. It takes like 2 minutes per section. But you just hold it until you feel like you should move it. I usually go about 20 seconds, about it's around that. Until it gets to steaming. I see the steam come out, then I'm like, okay, good to go. And then just try to do it to the next like part. I don't know if you can tell, but it'll be like a little hump. You just go right under the hump. And then I like to move it up so that it sets the wave before it, if that makes sense. I hope this makes sense. But you know, it's not rocket science. It's really easy. This is it. You just do this and you keep it pushing. And then after I notice I went down a little further where the spray wasn't at, I'll comb it and then go ahead. Okay, my makeup is done and I took off my elastic band like a while ago, but we are melted, and there is like a white cast going on, and that happens usually. So if you would just want to wear it like this, I would just spray some Gotta Be and then call it a day. But for me, I'm gonna do these baby hairs, you feel me? So I always use wet lime. If anybody ever asks, I never included, this is like the new wet lime tone. I like this lid better, so I just changed the lid. But I always use wet lime. It does flake. It doesn't bother me though, because I know I'm gonna have to what's it called? Manage my frontal. Like, I know I'm gonna have to upkeep it. Like, I'm gonna have to fix it. So like, I don't care that it flakes. It's not that bad to me. But if you don't want a flaking gel, then I wouldn't recommend this for your edges. I do have a baby hair tutorial up, so I'm going to do a little snippet of it where we can zoom through, but I do have a detailed baby hair tutorial up already, so if you want to look at that, I will leave a card there for it. So let's get to it. Okay, so here's the final look. I did go through and just crimp a few extra pieces. I'm gonna talk while I do this little piece right here because I think this needs to be done. They kind of get frizzy really fast. Like, you know when like TAE do them? Like, they just be like this. They just all look like this, right? But they don't all look like this. I'm gonna turn my head around so you can see the back. But for now, let me do this really quick. I didn't tell you, I think I told you kind of where the hair is from. I didn't tell you enough. This hair was from Nadula hair. It's a 13x6 frontal. It is transparent lace. The lace melted effortlessly, like super effortlessly. I did use my even tinted spray. I love Nadula hair. If you ever see company on my channel more than once or twice, like, yeah, I totally approve. Anybody who like asks me where to get good hair from, I always say Nadula. Yeah, like, before I never had like a nice, not nice, because the closure that I had from the last video wasn't bad, but it also wasn't transparent lace. So now that I know they have transparent lace sister on the Nadula train and I'm not getting off, like, this is some good hair. And now that I know they have good lace too, I'm really sold. I'm really loving it, like super soft. All I did to this hair was blow dry it, and then I went ahead and crimped it. So I think that's all I gotta say. I did do this makeup look on my Instagram live. Hopefully the when I put this up, it'll still be up, so you can go check that out on my Instagram, BEAUTYVIAJALEAH. And if not, if you want me to do like a get ready with me with this look, I can do that as well. So just let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful.